Putting different kinds of content in your web pages largely depends, of course, on what your pages are about, what your website is about. Of course, we will continue working with wines here. However, you've already noticed that combining the major content with some other poetic or artistic design is always welcome. So let's now go and do some other pages. To do this, I would like to introduce a couple of tricks to show you some very useful tricks that we do here. For example, we want to go now and design the pages used for wines in our winery, okay? But then again, to design the page about wines, we probably want to show different wine bottles that we maybe sell in our winery or that we produce or serve in our restaurant and so on. So generally, what we can do is go here and essentially copy much of the content from this home page. In this case, let's click this strip and copy this entire strip. Then go to the wines page that we still don't have and simply paste this strip here. Same content, but then of course we can enlarge it, or we can put more wines there that we want to sell, and so on. Let me just copy the repeater, the whole repeater as well, just simulating that we want to use or to sell or advertise more wines from our vineyard. This is how you do it. Of course, you can then go here and change all the elements of this other repeater. We know how to do it, so I don't want to go into that right now. Maybe we can only add something else here, up there, like more text. And for this other text, I can try to use another nice quote that I prepared for this tutorial. Okay, here I will copy and paste this thing. Okay, and then we will edit this text again to use the usual colors, also to expand this text box, maybe like this, have it centrally located. Come on, show me. Yeah, that's where it is. Okay, yeah, and somewhere here I have to edit it and to add more. Okay, to add more spaces here so that it looks as it typically is. All right, like this. Maybe I can shrink this name here a bit, and then of course add more space here, more blanks. All right, that looks okay. This is how you kind of endorse your web pages with some other content that you like, or that helps your design look better, or if you want more appealing to your site visitors and so on. Okay, let's go and now design something else. What other pages do we have here? Yeah, vineyard. I'll just add some background here with some images. So change section background, add some image. Again, wine. Then where are our vineyards? Yeah, this is the background image. We can usually, just make it much brighter, and then add some images just in order to have some content here. It is up to you. Oh, no, no, not that one. This is not consistent with our website. I didn't mean that. Okay, so add some images that we want to represent our website more properly. So wine here. Then this one looks nice. Add it to the page like this. Maybe it's a bit too big, but let's put it somewhere here. We can add another one also about wine. Kind of tell a story in 3 images of what happens. And maybe this one looks good, or maybe, yeah, this one here. Cool. To use this in a storytelling manner. This one should be a little bit larger. And then the third one, somewhere down there, should be the image of a person enjoying their wine. Okay. Yeah, or maybe another image about the vineyard. Maybe, okay, like this. There is another one about wine. Yeah, this one looks okay. Add to page. Move it down there. Okay. And now the fourth one could be one about a person enjoying their wine. To emulate my storytelling idea. Okay, wine again. And yeah, maybe this is a good one for our purpose. Cool. This is it. I don't want to go into details further. Let's preview this page. Looks okay. Cool. Of course, you can add more text and more everything here. Let's also go back to this surroundings page. In much the same way, you can add first some background here. If you want, you can be consistent and use the same background pictures throughout the website. So image, I'm not going to do that because I already forgot which one I put on the home page and on the other pages, but I will, for this surroundings page, I will use something else, not wine, maybe hills, because vineyards often, you often meet them in some hilly regions. These are just, okay, not there. I can't find a suitable one, but yeah, maybe this thing is, yeah, it is actually 1 yard. Okay, change background. So use this one as a background. I don't want to go into these other elements. I'll just make it a little brighter. So you use this one as the background, add some images, add some attractive text about walking in this nice hilly area, enjoying the vineyards, and so on. That's about the surroundings. Maybe something else about the restaurant. For the restaurant, we again change the background first, adding an image of the restaurant. Okay. Which one? Let's see. The one that's appealing to me. Not a diner, of course. It's not a wine restaurant. But can't find. Yeah, maybe. Okay, maybe something like this. It's not an ideal solution, but it will do. Or maybe something like this. Anyway, so let's put it in the background, do some usual opacity setting, and that's it. Then you can add some repeaters with the menu items in your restaurant or the selection of wines, selection of desserts, stuff like that, of course. But that's developing quite another story, the story about restaurants, not really the story about winery. And now I think we covered almost everything, but I will not go into the accommodation webpage in detail, but I will use this page here about restaurant to introduce, or maybe another page. This is not the most suitable one. Maybe this one about vineyard, or the surroundings. Let's see. Yeah, maybe we can use this one because it is kind of empty now. I would like to use this one to introduce other interesting elements that you can put into your website. One of them is called the box. The box is like a subsection, but it's smaller. It's just like a box in your stripe or in your section. And you can put a different element in a box, like a box like this, for example. You can put different elements into the box, and then they are all stuck together in the box. So you move them around as a box. Okay, what to put in there? Let's move it here for a minute. Now I want to use something else. I would like to use a small website about wines that I developed and that I want to put into, to actually embed into this box. Okay? To do this, I will now go and find that website. Before I find it, I will ask you for some patience. So I will stop this part of the tutorial right now until I find that web page, and I will embed it here in a minute.